Remember the clip of Will Smith eating pasta a couple years back? It looked horrible. But look at it now. This has to be AI, right?
You are absolutely correct. That's some good spaghetti right here. Oh yeah, it's amazing.
If you're a filmmaker and content creator in 2026, you're living in some interesting times because artificial intelligence have unlocked so many doors for creators who can now bring their imagination to life. And platforms like Hicksfield AI making it easier and easier for filmmakers to bring their creativity to life. And take a look at this video that I created of myself on the desert inspired by the Dune trailer. Just look at the skin textures. It is insanely mind-blowing. AI is taking over filmmaking at a rapid pace. And obviously there are people who hate AI filmmaking and there are people who are so-called AI filmmakers. And I get it, things that used to cost a lot of money and countless amount of time, now you can do it in just a day or even hours. If you're not an animator or you don't know anything about CGI, but you do have a vision, now you can use AI and it will get it done for you. So over the past few months, I've been creating a lot of stuff, a lot of ideas popping in my head, and here's something that I created that I want to share with you guys. I created this fight scene with just one picture of myself and a prompt, and I was shocked with the results. I took pictures of my motorbike from all the angles and I recreated it in AI and I put it in a place where in real life would be impossible to keep. And then I had this other idea of creating something like a superhero movie, but I turned myself into a wasp man. Ah! What's happening to me?
Help! No one is coming for you, lady. Who the hell are you?
I am Wasp Man.
Thank you, Wasp Man.
Duty calls.
Honestly, it's not like you type a prompt and it generates whatever you want. It takes a lot of time. So as a content creator, what does that mean for me? I feel like AI filmmaking is really interesting, but obviously it's not gonna take traditional filmmaking. I personally think AI will never replace the feeling of going out, taking the shot, editing it. I mean, that's why we love filmmaking. When you get that beautiful shot and you're so happy, generating that same shot with AI is honestly not the same. So let me know down below, what do you guys think about AI filmmaking? And I obviously have a lot of ideas and I'll be uploading a lot more frequently, hopefully from now on. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.